Dear colleagues, in this video I'm going to talk about one of our devices that we have developed and mass-produced, which turns ordinary Apator and Teplovodomer water meters into smart meters. So these water meters can send data without human participation. Such a device is ORIONMETER TWM, which has a form of cover plate. Layout. Simplicity and ease of installation of the radio modem on water meter due to the absence of screw connections and elimination of the need for additional tools for installation. Radio modem mounting seat is made in accordance with mounting seat of water meter and securely fixed by side latches. Body is made of polycarbonate and has IP65 protection level. How the counting is carried out? Water meters have light reflecting disc installed on their body. Radio modem, by means of photocells, light detector reads out revolutions of light reflecting disc and generate pulses. Photocells arrangement allows to record backflow. Therefore, the data recorded in form of pulses and the data counter panel will be the same. Then, generated pulses are automatically counted and recorded to the non-volatile memory EEPROM. Two types of data are generated: regular and archived hourly profile for the last 24 hours. The amount of recorded information in the device memory is 64 hours of hourly profile, and it can always be requested again for a specific period of time. Radio modem activation. After production, the radio modem is in the warehouse mode. Radio modem activation can be carried out in two ways. The first way is to bring the magnet to the Hall sensor located on the right side. The second way is to let 10 or 12 liters of water flow through the meter, so the activation of the radio modem will occur itself. In both ways, activation can be seen with bright LED flashes. Data transmission. Data is transmitted over a radio channel in the LoRaWAN standard. LoRaWAN networks deployed in the most major cities in the world. More than 150 operators in 167 countries. Low implementation and operating cost of LoRaWAN networks allows to build and deploy local networks. Communication between ORIONMETER TWM radio modem and the base station is up to 15 kilometers in line of sight and up to 5 kilometers in urban areas.
EasyTool.
In addition to main LoRaWAN communication channel, our devices are equipped with EasyTool technology. EasyTool technology provides an additional wireless communication channel at a frequency of 868 MHz for a local connection to the radio modem at a distance of up to 50 meters. The EasyTool technology is designed to configure, update software, read the accumulated data from radio modem. We'll talk more about this technology in the following videos. Device self-containment. The LoRaWAN standard is energy efficient and doesn't require the resources of the power element of the radio modem. After all, it is difficult to supply external power to water meter's location, often simply impossible. The radio modem should be autonomous, and whereas autonomy, there are restrictions on the battery resources. The LoRaWAN standard effectively consumes the battery, but the battery life of the devices from Orion M2M is also affected by battery care technology. We'll talk more about this technology in the following videos. Let's summarize and highlight our main advantages. ORIONMETER TWM radio modem is a cover plate. Easy installation of the radio modem on the water meter due to the absence of screw connections and the elimination of the need for additional tools of installation. Self-activation of the radio modem by water flow. Activation of the radio modem with magnet. Alarm messages in case of vandal actions, magnet impact and water backflow. EasyTool technology allows to make a wireless remote connection to the radio modem for configuring, updating software, reading accumulated data on a protected channel.
Подробнее о которой мы с вами еще поговорим в следующем видео.
The use of battery care technology allows to operate a radio modem without replacing the battery for many years. The non-volatile memory of the radio modem allows to store data for up to 62 days of hourly profile with the ability to remotely request data. Orion M2M, adhering to the B2B strategy, actively invites dealers, integrators, service companies, and all interested in implementation and/or operating of the ORIONMETER TWM radio modems.